Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's go to create new solid layer for background. Right click, new and solid layer. Add name background, click OK. And go to FX Presets, search Effect Fill and use Fill for background layer. And open color. And let's choose color like this and OK. So let's lock layer and go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose render rectangle tool. And let's create tool like this, colorization tool, go to fill and choose color white. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, Focusy. It's a smart screen recording tool that automatically adds zooms, follow your cursor and even generates subtitles, saving you hours of editing time. You just hit record and Focusy handles the rest. Dynamic zooms, cursor tracking, and it records your screen, camera and voiceover all at once. It even transcribes your voice in real time. Super useful. You can also get tools like filters, backgrounds, frames, paddings and smooth transition that make your video look clean and professional without needing any editing skills. Whether you're a content creator, online educator, or part of product team making videos, Focusy can seriously streamline your workflow. So I will add link on the description below. You can check the link and try it now. And stroke width 0. So let's go to FX Presets, search Effect Drop Shadow. Choose Drop Shadow, use for shape layer. And change name search bar. And let's open rectangle 1, rectangle path 1 and change redness like this. In this time, go to window and enable align and choose this shape layer. Go to click this align for move to center shape layer. And let's go to the station, change the station like this. Also go to shadow color and use eyedropper for select background and change to dark color. Click OK. OK. So let's enable title action save and click size icon. Change size like this for turn to ellipse tool. Okay, select this search bar and press P. Let's move to up and create new passing keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page on keyboard and move it down. Again go to 10 keyframes, move to up. Again 10 keyframes, move to down. Again 10 keyframes, move to up. You can follow these points here for better bounce animation. Again 10 keyframes, move to down. Again 10 keyframes, move to up. And again move to center and click align. So select keyframes and make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's hold shift, press S, open scale and click this scale icon and change scale like this. Let's change this 50 and this 120 and go to first second. Let's create scale keyframe. Go to next 10 keyframe, change 110 and this 80 or 90. Let's see. Okay, we can write here 85. Go to 10 keyframes. Let's write 90 and this 105. Let's see. Okay, and next keyframe, let's write here 105 and this 95. Again, next keyframe, right here 98 and here 102. Again, next keyframe, write 100 and this 100 and make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, this so much more smooth. And select scale keyframes, hold alt, move to right for random animation. Let's see. Nice, very good. So in this time, select this search bar and let's close and open inside contents rectangle 1 and rectangle path 1. Let's create size keyframe and go to some keyframes, change size like this. And say keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor. Let's zoom to graph and choose this red line. And let's change graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes and select two size keyframes, move to left. Move to left more. Nice. Select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, very good. In this time, go to here and let's press P and let's see timing. Okay, let's create new null object and move to here and hold Control, double click pen behind the icon for move the anchor point center. Clickation tool and select search bar. Let's link to null object. Select null and let's see timing. Okay, press P. Let's create new passing keyframe and go to here, move to up and make it keyframes easy. Go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Nice. So back to keyframes and go to text. Let's write here looking for rental and clickation tool. Let's hold Control, double click for move the anchor point center and go to align. Click here and here. In this time, let's move to up like this. Let's go to last keyframe and move to up text and press P. Let's create new passing keyframe. Go to back and move to down and select keyframes. Make it easy. Let's hold shift, press T. Open opacity, change opacity 0. Create opacity keyframe and go to here. Write 100% and make it easy. Select position keyframes, go to graph editor and let's see. Choose this graph and move to left. Back to keyframes, select last position keyframe, move to left. Select 4 keyframes and let's see timing. Okay, move to left. Nice. In this time, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and create ellipse tool. And let's hold shift, make one ellipse. Clickation tool and go to fill. Let's turn off color and stroke width. Okay, and go to stroke color, use color like this. Click OK. Let's press S and change scale 0. Create scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes. Change scale 125, again 10 keyframes, 95, again 10 keyframes, 105, again 10 keyframes, 100, and make it keyframes easy. And let's see. Okay, so select this shape layer and let's open inside contents, ellipse 1 and ellipse path 1, change size. Okay, and stroke width, change like this. We can change size 50. So in this time, let's go to pen tool and create one line like this, like a Magnifier. And clickation tool, let's move up this. And go to inside, contents, shape 1 and stroke 1, change buttercup to round cup for smooth and start lines. In this time, select the shape layer 2 and go to solo, move the anchor point up, clickation tool and unsolo, and also link to layer 1 and move to right. Okay, in this time, let's press R and create rotation keyframe, chain rotation 100, go to 10 keyframes, change -50, again 10 keyframes, 25, again 10 keyframes, -10, again 10 keyframes, 5, again 10 keyframes, -2, and again 0. And make the keyframes easy. So there are more keyframes for better bounce animation and dynamic elements. Okay, that's good. So In this time, let's change name, shape layer 1, change magnify, and this magnify line. And select magnify, let's link to null object and select two magnify layers, let's see timing. Okay, and move to left. In this time, select this magnify link to search bar layer. Let's see. Okay, and select two layers, move to left. And select magnify, let's move to center. Okay, that's good. We can move to right a little bit to right like this. Nice. And select this magnify, press P. And in this time, let's create new Python keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and move to right. And make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Nice. Select this last keyframe, move to right, go to graph editor. And let's zoom to graph. Make it smooth animation. Nice. Back to keyframes and move to right a little bit. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.